Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I know you're quite happy and excited about your school reopening. Well, it's a revision time or video class of English for grade 1. Now you have to conduct this video class. Today is 21st September 2020 and it's Monday. You know, it's the phase 5 or revision phase and the third week of this phase, and it's the very first video of this week because it's Monday. And you can see the content of today's video class. That's unit 7, going to school, and reading, dictation sentences, alphabetical order, word sentences, words meanings, and question answers. Well, this video class is presented to you by our institutions Pakistan Overseas Higher Secondary School and Dusrane Millat Higher Secondary School. You are welcome on this platform. Let's see the vision of our school: to develop a prosperous and God-fearing society on the basis of education. नेक्स्ट इज़ मैसेज ऑफ द वीक. सही बुखारी की ये हदीस है, जहन्नम की आग से बचो, हाँ खजूर के एक टुकड़े ही को सदका और हैरात करके बच सको. सदका इंसान को हर आने वाली मुसीबत, परेशानी और बला से बचाता है, बलाओं को दूर करता है. हमें अपनी इस्तात के मुताबिक, चाहे हदीस के मुताबिक, चाहे खजूर का एक टुकड़ा ही क्यों ना सदका और हैरात कर सकें, करना चाहिए. हमें अपने इस सदका को अपनी रूटीन में ले लेना चाहिए. बाकायदगी से रोज़ाना जितना हो सके सदका देना चाहिए. Okay students, it's a revision time and it's a phase 5, so you have to read this unit, that's unit 7, going to school. It's a page 40. Assalamu alaikum. I am Usman. This is my school. It has many classrooms and a large playground. I have many friends in my school. I love my school. Usman, here Usman is talking to you and Usman is telling you about his school. Okay, next is page 41. And it's a view of a classroom, and obviously here Usman will tell you about his classroom. Let's start. This is my classroom. It is very colorful because of different charts and paintings hanging on the walls. Miss Nadia is my class teacher. She is very polite. Today she has arranged a book reading activity for my class. We all love to read storybooks. You can see it's a view of a classroom, and Miss Nadia is standing here, who is the class teacher of Usman. Next is the view of a computer lab, and students are sitting in front of PCs or computers and they are doing work. Let's start reading. This is my school computer lab. It has many computers. I learn how to use a computer here. I also play games on the computer. Next paragraph is about school playground, and you also have a playground in your school, and you also have swings or slides in your school. Let's start this paragraph. This is my school playground. It has swings and a seesaw. There are colorful flowers and plants around it. I play different games with my friends at break time. We do not throw wrappers on the ground. Next is the last paragraph of this lesson, and it's about the art class. You can see students are doing work and they are making many shapes, and maybe they are drawing or coloring. This is my art class. I paint with different colors and draw many shapes. I also use crayons to color. I make different things in this class. Okay, it was all about the reading of this lesson. That's the lesson going to school. Next is question number 2, dictation sentences of page 41. Page 41 consists about 4 paragraphs. और आप इन 4 पैराग्राफ्स में से कोई से भी 3 to 4 सेंटेंस डिक्टेशन सेंटेंसेस के लिए लिख सकते हैं। और डिक्टेशन सेंटेंसेस के लिए जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट प्रैक्टिस है वो न्यू वर्ड्स के स्पेलिंग को लर्न करना है। आफ्टर दैट यू विल बी एबल टू राइट डिक्टेशन सेंटेंसेस वेरी इजीली एंड क्वाइटली। नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Arrange the words alphabetically. You have given here almost 5 words and you have to rearrange these words alphabetically. For rearrangement, you just have to consider the very first letter of these words. Let's start. School, play, children, love, paintings. So during alphabetical arrangement, you just have to consider the very first letter of these words. Let's start. A, B, these two are missing. So next one is C, children. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Next one is L and love, because love is going to start by the letter L. And after that L, M, N, O, P. Obviously here is the number of P and these two words are going to start by the letter P. So you have to consider the second letter of these words, because the very first one in these words are same. So paintings will be first and play will be after that, and the remaining and last one is school, so you have to write it on the end. Next is question number 4. Make sentences. You have given some words, so you have to write these words as your sentences, or you have to write the sentences of these words. The very first one is arrange. Please arrange your books on the table. Basically arrange meaning is order or sequence. Next one is polite. Sabha is a polite girl. Crayon. Crayon meaning as pencil color. I use crayons to color, or I use crayon to color. Storybooks. She is reading a storybook. Learn. I have to learn English speaking. I have to learn about cooking. You can write about your interest, whatever you want. Next is question number 5. Match the words with their meanings. And this column is of words and the next one is meanings. So you have to read these two columns: polite, wrappers, draw, arrange, crayons, cover, to make, pencil color, good manners, order. Polite, good manners. Wrappers, cover. Draw, to make. Arrange, order. Crayon, pencil color. Okay, it's question number 6. Answer the following questions. You have given almost 3 to 4 questions and you have to write the answer of these questions. The very first one is, what is the name of your school? Here girls, student girls will write here the name of their school. That's the name of my school is Duhtrane Millat Higher Secondary School, Mandir. And boys students will write here, the name of my school is Pakistan Overseas Higher Secondary School, Mandir. Question number 2. What do you learn in the computer lab? Answer: I learn how to use the computer. Question number 4. How do you keep your school clean? Answer: we throw wrappers in the dustbin. Question number 5. What are the children doing in the art class? Answer: they are drawing many shapes. Okay, it was all about the question answers of this lesson. Now it's the time to note down your diary. Unit 7, going to school. Learn question answers, words meanings and word sentences of this lesson. Okay, you can see the social sites of our school. The very first one is Cloud Campus. It's for parents meeting. And the next one is Facebook and Twitter, YouTube, and WhatsApp. For your interest and obviously for your concerning is obviously YouTube and WhatsApp, because these videos are uploading on YouTube channel, that's our school channel POA Mandir. To receive these videos you have to subscribe our YouTube channel, and you also have to press the bell icon. Okay, next one is you can see the contact number of our school office. For any complaint or for any query you can contact on these numbers. Okay, dear students, I hope you have clear understanding of today's video class. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.